Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the Tag Mobile Free iPhone offer in 2026, including who actually qualifies and what you are going to get in it. So a lot of people think that you can sign up and get a brand new iPhone for free, but that's not exactly how it actually works. So Tag Mobile is a part of government supported Lifeline program, which helps low income users to get free or discounted phone services. Sometimes Tag Mobile also offers a free smartphone as part of the deal, but the main benefit is the free monthly service and not the phone itself. You can qualify if your income is low or if you are part of the programs like SNAP, Medicaid, SSI, or housing assistance. Another way to qualify is if your household income is below around 135% of the federal poverty level. Also, only one lifeline benefit is allowed per household. Now, this is the most important part. You usually don't get a brand new iPhone for free. Most of the users receive a basic Android smartphone for free. iPhones may be available, but only in the limited offers, older models, or sometimes as a discounted upgrade, not guaranteed. If you qualify, you're typically going to get free monthly plan with talk and text, limited high speed data, which is going to be around 10 to 16 GB depending on the state. You will get a free basic smartphone, no contracts or monthly bills. Some plans may also include 5G access and hotspot features. The process is very simple. You need to simply check your eligibility, submit your details and documents, get approved via the Lifeline system, choose from the available devices and receive your phone by email. Now, approval can take a few minutes to a few days. So the real question here is it actually worth applying for this particular program? So absolutely, it is worth if you qualify and you need free phone service. But if you don't expect a latest iPhone for free, this offer is mainly about affordable connectivity and not the premium devices. So if this video helped you understand this program better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.